Hey, I'm Sarah, and over the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to set up a series of automated emails with Aweber in just a few minutes. This automated series is always ready for new subscribers, freeing you up from having to worry about manually sending emails as your list grows. To get started, click on Campaigns under the Messages tab, then click Create a Campaign. This is where you'll have the option to create a campaign from scratch, import one, or choose a pre-built campaign template. In this example, let's build a welcome campaign for new subscribers. From here, you can add additional emails to the series and space them out at specific intervals using the actions to the left. Click on any one of the emails in the series to edit the contents of that message. You can also use the options on the right to add any existing messages that are in your drafts. Once you're done, just save your campaign. You'll see a summary of the campaign you just created and a drop-down menu to activate the campaign. You can also use this drop-down to pause, close, or stop a campaign altogether. Once active, subscribers signing up to your list will automatically start receiving the emails in your campaign. I hope this video helped. Click to check out our next tutorial and don't forget to subscribe.